So, Michael, let's talk about color codes and where are you at, like kind of figuring that out in the process?
Well, Chris, we're starting right up front during our check-in process, part of our check-in process, so it's recorded. Therefore, when the repair planner gets into repair plan, they already know the color code. They can start doing some research around that formula. Is there a radar formula in there? Is it a 3-stage, is it a 4-stage even? Then in the repair plan, we're going to the actual color read. Every vehicle will have surface prepped and get a color read. Then the refinish tech will come in and we'll choose the variants of what we're going to put on this car and where we're going to put it. Are we blending or not blending?
So the color read, is that performed by the refinish tech or is that by the repair planner?
So the actual techs that are disassembling the vehicle are trained to use the color read. Sometimes, if it's a difficult color, the refinish tech will come in and perform it as well. But it's really a collaboration. And these cars, the colors are difficult today. And if we're going to have a difficult color, we want to identify that right up front so that we problem solve before the vehicle ever gets in the line.
So is like your paint company coming out to train the repair planners or the disassembly techs on how to?
Yeah, they've trained our people. We've also then recorded videos and training on the steps that you have to go through. And that I can't stress enough how important that surface prep is, so that color read camera gets an accurate read off of the color.
And then from there, you're able to build your own color library with your spray out cards and be able to verify what color will best apply to it.
Right. If we go to our own library and we have the spray out card for that variance, it's going to go right on the windshield of the car. If we don't, we're going to mix and create the spray out.
Nice.
So when the vehicle finally gets to the refinish department, we already have the variance of the color that we're going to put on the vehicle, and before it actually gets into the paint line, we're mixing the volume of paint that we need.
That's the ideal time to do it, not when it's in the booth.
Right? Not when it's in the booth.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by SCRS. If you aren't currently a member, I encourage you to join. Visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.